Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Glossip. So if you're new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. Today we are at Bouncy area. It's in Emporium Mall, Lahore, and it was pretty spacious and big, and there were a lot of activities for kids. So the charges were 300 rupees per child for 1 hour, and if you want unlimited time, so the charges were 450 rupees per child. And over here I'm running on this type something, and it was so much fun. And then we moved towards the bridge. It was made of rope and you have to cross it. It was really easy to cross it. I liked it so much to cross it that I was doing again and again. And there was also a swing to cross, but it wasn't so much easy because it was swinging. And this bridge was more easier than that to cross. And then I just jump and jump and jump on the bouncy jumping bed. And here I'm jumping, and I was tired, then I sit down and jump, 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 jump. And it was real fun over there. I highly recommended you to go there and have fun. After that, I went in this area and it was filled with spongy cushions. I was feeling like I'm sinking in because they were really soft that you go in and in and in, and going out is so much tough, and walking too. It was just like water. Everything was really jumpy and bumpy. You should also go there and visit it. And there was the last area to discover. That was the ball area. It was so much fun because they were real soft. And guys, if you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.